Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on DreamComeTrue AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in DreamComeTrue.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official DreamComeTrue AI website. Now right from the homepage, you can click on the Join Now button at the center or at the top right corner and you will end up in the login portal. Now you will be asked to enter your username and your password to log into your account. But in case you have forgotten it, in order to reset, simply click on Forgot Your Password. Once you click on this, you will be asked to enter your email address. Simply type in the email address that you used to create your account with DreamComeTrue AI in the first place, and after you type it in, click on the Reset Password button. When you click on this, you will receive an email from DreamComeTrue AI. Just go ahead and open this email and you will find a link which you can click on to reset your password. After clicking on this link, simply type in your desired new password and continue forward, and after this point on, you will be able to click on the Join Now button, and within the login page you can use your username along with your new password to log into your account by simply clicking on the login button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on DreamComeTrue AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.